Today I'm checking out this heavy duty adjustable bench that was sent to me so I could do the review. I'm excited to get it open. I'm gonna get it out of the box, see everything that it comes with, get it put together so we can test it out. All right, so these are the parts out of the box. As you can see, it does come with two real wood and solid tops. This is the top of it, and then this is the shelf and solid steel legs. Comes with casters and little stoppers. Comes with the electrical outlet, all the hardware, everything to put this together, and the manual which walks you through putting it together. Let me get this thing all assembled. I'll let you know how long it took, and we'll check this thing out. All right, and here it is all put together. I would say if you're really good at putting things together and you're fast, 15 minutes, but if not, give yourself about 30 minutes to put this together. Very easy to do, but just lots of parts and you gotta screw all the bolts in. But in the end, look at this thing. It's awesome. Got a wood top, wood shelf. This thing can hold 2,000 pounds, it says. The bottom shelf can only hold 500, but I think combined it was 2,000 pounds. It's on wheels. I love workbenches on wheels because I move them around a lot. It's got 4 locking wheels, so the whole thing just locks into place with no problem. Extremely sturdy. You can adjust it. It's got quite a bit of adjustment here. I do have it adjusted all the way up. And that was because I figured I'd want it as tall as it could be. It's pretty tall. So I think I'm gonna probably drop it 1 or 2 holes to get it a little bit lower down and a good working, height for me. But even if you're really tall, it should be able to adjust properly for you. This is probably your setting, but I'm not. I'm 5'9" and I'm gonna probably drop it 2 to be a comfortable workbench space. It's got pegboard on both sides, and it comes with these little pegs so you can hang tools there, do whatever you want. I just stuck those there because it did come with a lot of pegs, so probably more than you need for this, but it did come with them, so I stuck them all in there. Really nice. I am really impressed with this little workbench. More pegs here. It does come with a little power strip that you put on there. It's just really, really nice. I didn't expect it to be this nice, and I'm very impressed with it. So yeah, I really like this thing. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.